いらっしゃいませ。みんなおはようございます。Welcome to Udon Classroom, where our chefs have prepared you an epic grammar course for today. And we'll be learning Deshou, which means I think, it seems, probably, right? So we have done this before, but we used daro, which is the more informal version. So Deshou is the more formal version. So if you've done that lesson, you should already be pretty good with this.
I'm so excited!
So, 今日僕はめっちゃ元気です。お腹空いてる? I won't let you guys leave without mastering this grammar, so pull up a chair and we'll prepare your meal. And the price, just one simple like. Let's go! 始めましょう!
Explanation!
Okay guys, so Deshou is our word for today. It's our grammar point of the day and it means I think, it seems, probably, right?
How do you form it?
Now, let's have a look at how we use this. So, with a verb, you need to have a dictionary form verb and add Deshou. With a noun, simply add Deshou. No adjective, no problem. Simply add Deshou. E-adjective, what do you think guys? Simply add Deshou. Nice and easy. So, nothing to worry about there. Now, let's have a look at the meaning again. So it means I think, it seems, probably, alright. Okay, and although there are many different meanings which may seem confusing, it's usually easy to understand them from context. So, another little important note is that Deshou can be shortened to Deshou. So we're taking off the U. And Deshou is the more polite version of daro, which we've already done in another video. So if you haven't seen that yet, go check it out guys, you won't regret it. So let's have a look today at the first example. So,
Examples.
明日は雨が降るでしょう。明日は雨が降るでしょう。It will probably rain tomorrow. Get your umbrellas, ladies and gentlemen, because it could be a rainy day. So, this translates to, I think it will rain tomorrow. It will probably rain tomorrow. So that's example A.
That's interesting.
Let's have a look at example B. 先生は間もなく来るでしょう。先生は間もなく来るでしょう。The teacher will probably come soon. So in this case, it's probably. Now let's have a look when we use it with questions. So, それは何でしょう? I wonder what that is. Now that's a really useful point that you can use. So there are the kind of three ways that we can use this. So now, let's have a look at some crazy example sentences.
Great job!
あの人は誰でしょう? I wonder who that person is. So, you know, you're walking the streets and some guy's like, yo, how's it going? And you're like, あの人は誰でしょう? Who's that guy? I wonder who he is. I have no idea. Could be a stalker. Okay, so next one we have a very simple phrase. いいでしょう? いいでしょう? Which means that sounds, that seems good. And depending on your inflection, you could be asking a question like, いいでしょ? That's good, right? Or you could just say, いいでしょ? That sounds good. Okay, lots of useful ways you could use that. You want to go get some sushi? いいでしょ? That sounds great, right? Okay, cool. So next one we have, この問題は簡単でしょう。この問題は簡単でしょう。This problem's easy. You got so much confidence. You're like, this problem's easy, right? この問題は簡単でしょう? Great. And then our last example of the day. 彼はもうすぐ来るでしょ? He should be here any second. He should be coming any second. So in this sentence here we have should. It should. He should be coming any second.
Homework. 宿題.
Wow, guys, you've done a great job today. Thanks so much for watching. And remember to watch the video a few times to make sure you'll get it. And your homework? Wow. Don't worry. All you need to do is write 3 example sentences in the comments. Remember, real progress comes with action. So don't let yourself down and don't let me down. みんな、お腹がいっぱいですか? よかったね. We'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to subscribe because I need the views. Seriously. Right guys, we'll catch you in the next one. またね.
Subscribe to the channel. 日本語を勉強しましょう。うどん教室へようこそ。始めるぞ。